Hello everyone, Mr. Parsons here, and I'm going to be teaching you a new groups of strategy called scripting. Now this method is going to help us solve groups of problems with bigger numbers. So let's start off by saying if we had 4 penguins and each penguin ate 469 fish each. So we look at this problem and we see 469 is a really big number, and that would be really hard to put in an array and draw it out, right? So scripting is a good strategy to use that's more effective and will help you solve the problem easier, even with big numbers. So we want to start off by drawing our table here. We're going to transfer the problem down here to the left. So 4 groups of 469. And over here on the right, we want to write our hundreds, our tens, and our ones column. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to take 4 groups in our hundreds column, so that would be 4 hundreds, and bring it down here. So 4 groups of 4 hundreds. And next thing we do is we take the zeros and the tens and the ones, and we bring it over here. And we want to make sure we line up the numbers really nicely. And then we know that 4 groups of 4 is 16. So we bring that over as well, lining it up nicely. And the next part, we are going to now do 4 groups in our tens column. And that would be 4 groups of 6 tens. And just like before, we take our zeros in the ones column and we bring it over to the right, and now we do 4 groups of 6, which would be 24. Next step is that we bring our 4 over to the ones column and we do 4 groups of 9. And we know 4 groups of 9 is 36. And now we're going to add things up. And remember, we want to add downwards always. So zeros plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then you bring down the 1 as well. You know what? I'm going to rewrite that to make it look a little better. Oh, I erased 36. There we go. Draw a line. So we want to make sure it's all lined up nice, right? So 8 there, and then the 1, the comma, and then we box our answer. And so now we know that the 4 penguins ate a total of 1,876 fish. And that's an example of scripting.